The World Wide Web and the Semantic Web are both built on the same building blocks that you learned about in the previous lesson. The Uniformed Resource Identifier, or in short, URI. However, when it comes to the usage of URIs, the two web types have a different focus. The focus of using URIs in the World Wide Web lies on localization, so the URI defines exactly where a resource, such as a web page or document, can be found in the web. For this reason, most URIs in the World Wide Web are URLs. On the other hand, the focus of using URIs in the Semantic Web lies in identification. There, it is not as important where something is located, but rather what something it is in the first place. In the following chapter, we will learn more about a system that utilizes these URIs for providing meaning to resources. This system is called the Resource Description Framework, or in short, RDF.